Hey, boys and girls, happy Wednesday. I hope to see you on our Zoom session at 11 a.m. Remember, those of you that came on Monday and are coming on Wednesday to the Zoom, you're going into a drawing, and one person is going to get a special prize delivered to their house. So let's see who it is this week. Today in math, if you're in my math class, you're going to take part 1 of your test for geometry or measurement. So you're going to click this, you're going to fill out the Google Forms, and then you're going to submit at the bottom. Don't forget the submit button. Then in science, you're going to look at the picture, think of some questions, and what's the best question you can ask about the effects of the balanced and unbalanced forces. You can use this graphic organizer. You don't have to, but it helps. And then you're going to take your testable question and plan an investigation to help answer your research question. So planning an investigation is just telling me how you would figure out the answer. What would you do? So go to the Padlet right here, and under Wednesday, you are going to post your investigation idea, and then you can comment on each other's. So for reading, you're going to click on the link. You're going to watch 2 videos. If you click on the rabbit right here, here's a video for the rabbit book. And then right here, here's a link right here to My Rotten Red-Headed Older Brother. So you're going to watch these 2 books and keep in mind the different point of views. Is it first person? Is it saying I? Is that person telling the story that it happened to? Or is it third person where the person telling the story is not the person that it happened to? So you hear he, she, they. So how does that point of view affect the story is what you're thinking about. Then you're going to fill in these sentence frames. So you're going to tell how the point of views were different using text evidence, of course. So you're going to fill out these 3 sentence frames and then turn it in to me, and I'll give you guys feedback. In writing, I put the mentor sentence up there again, and this time is you're going to revise or rewrite the sentence to make it even better. So how can you take this sentence and add more details or more descriptive words or different words that make it even more interesting? So that is your job, and then you can see other people's answers and think about, who has the best idea? So those are your assignments for Wednesday. Make sure you are going to your homepage and clicking View My Work so you know what you're missing and what you still need to work on. So anyways, well, I hope you guys have a great day. Our Zoom session is at 11, so I will see you then. Bye.